gonna learn these kanjis. A, A, A. Let's learn how to memorize this kanji. There is a guy holding a head, and he's looking at front. He is British. This is a grass vertical. This illustrates a hut. And this is kanji hito, meaning person. A. The definition of this kanji is UK English. How do we read this kanji? Onyomi is A. There is no common kunyomi reading. An example word is 英語. An example sentence: 毎日英語を勉強しています。Next kanji is A. After the guy with the head saw the sun, he thought of making a new movie. This is kanji hi, meaning sun. This is a hat. And this is kanji hito, meaning person. A. The definitions of this kanji are reflection, projection. And onyomi is A. Kunyomi is 映す、映る、映える. An example word is 映画.
あの映画は面白かった。